Fantastic windstorm, November 27th, 2011. Siding ripped off the side of the house. Just a little piece there. Shingles in the yard, every fucking where. Just ripped right off. Tabs aren't curled, a little bit worn, but not bad. Pieces everywhere. Neighbor's yard. Pile of shingles there. It's all from the front yard. Another one here. Shingles back here. Damage to the garage, fascia boards ripped right off. Shingles down the driveway. See if we can get some footage of the back side of the house here. Garage, backside not too bad. House, backside also not too bad. Damage doesn't look bad. Let's check the side facing the wind. Large bald spot there. Random bits and pieces tore off. Big piece tore off there. On the house, let's see if I can get a better view. Shingles all at the ridge line. Missing. Big spot there. Caps missing there. Large bald spot on the house. Fantastic.